Hey loves, in our previous video I showed you guys how to make this yellow blouse. So today we are going to be making the pants. So to begin with this project, you want to place your fabric on fold twice so you have 4 layers, making sure that each layer is above your hip measurement divided by 4. Now you want to mark out your hip measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches and mark that point. Then from that point you mark an extra 2.5 inches. Then from the upper part you want to measure out your trouser length plus folding allowance. Folding allowance for the down part of the trouser plus folding allowance of the elastic waistband. So altogether that would be about 3 inches added to your trouser length. So at the first marking, which is our new hip measurement marking, you are going to come down by your hip measurement divided by 4 plus 1.5 inches, which is for the folding of the waist to create a tunnel for elastic. So now you're going to mark your hip measurement divided by 4 plus 3 inches all the way down to the marking, and then connect with a curved line to create the crotch area and cut it out. And that's it for the cutting part. So moving on to the sewing part, you're going to open up your fabrics and place them right side facing, just like you see me doing here in the video, and then sew and serge along this crotch area. After that, you want to open it up and place both crotch lines together and sew 1/2 inch along from one leg to the other. Serge if you have a serger, or you can leave it like that. So now you want to double fold the edge of both legs of the pants. Now you want to go ahead and double fold the waist to create a 1.5 inch tunnel for wide elastic. Stitch along the edge around the waist and leave a 1 inch opening. So now to get the measurement for the elastic for the waistband, you want to divide your waist measurement by 1.5 and add your stitching allowance. Using a safety pin, you are going to feed the elastic through the tunnel. Now you want to sew and double stitch your elastic in place. Now you want to go ahead and stitch close to the opening and sew 1/4 of an inch around the top corner of the waistband. Now you want to go ahead and give it a nice press, iron out everything, and that's pretty much about it. I really like how quick and easy this is. This is like one of the fastest trousers I've ever made. I really hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.